It's a lightweight collapsible hose roller for the firefighters on the ground. The idea is not to touch the carcinogenic materials that we find on the hose. So not only is it preventing cancer, but it's saving your back and knees as well. So it's as easy as this. So we just sweep the line, put it in there. So I don't have to watch the hose. I can keep a good eye out on the fire ground, watch for fire trucks, anything I need. It's just nice and easy. It's not a hard job in terms of how hard it is to roll. If you look at my fingers turning the thing, it's 3 fingers. It's not a hard job. So the whole idea is just trying to protect our backs, our knees, and most importantly, that exposure to what that attack line has just incorporated in the house fire. So just rolls up. About manual handling, because we roll so tight from the center and it gives you a nice tight roll. Simply stand on the release pad and it just breaks the seal and it pops out.